Welcome! If you've been receiving too many group board invites on Pinterest and want to stop those in-app notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily disable those notifications so you can enjoy Pinterest without the constant pings. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you manage your pins and boards. Next, look for the notifications option in your profile menu and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive from Pinterest. Once inside notifications, scroll down until you find the social category. Under social, you'll see an option labeled Group Board Invites. This is where Pinterest manages notifications related to invitations to collaborate on group boards. To stop those in-app notifications, simply toggle off the in-app option next to Group Board Invites. This means you will no longer get pop-up alerts within the app whenever someone invites you to join a group board. You can still check your invites manually whenever you want, but the interruptions will be gone. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can take control of your Pinterest notifications and keep your experience smooth and distraction-free. Remember, you can always come back and turn the notifications back on if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.